Yeah, the heat is for real. And so especially on campus, Audrey, when you've got so much pavement, all those buildings, the heat index, when I show these numbers to you, remember, these are stations that are away from a lot of concrete in most cases. You know, now the San Antonio airport is around a lot of asphalt, but some of the other reporting stations are away from it. So whenever you talk about UTSA or downtown San Antonio, they could be a few degrees higher than what's over my shoulder, and we'll take a closer look at it in a moment. First, let's take a look at Calaveras Lake on this Monday. Pretty picture with some partly to mostly cloudy skies. We've got 99 and holding on the thermometer, but your body thinks the temperature's 106. At least those southeast winds are moving 16 miles per hour, a little bit better than last week when we had hardly any wind. All right, temperatures around the area. Look at this. I mean, the coolest spot out there is 96. That's going to be Lakey, Floresville, Bulverde. Everybody else, Pleasanton, 98, alongside our 99. But this is the important number. Again, 111 on what it feels like in Seguin right now. 110 New Braunfels, 107 at Floresville, 106 for us in Pleasanton, 107's down I-35, 108 Carrizo Springs. So you notice where the humidity is, the numbers are always going to be higher than where the air is a little bit more dry, where you have Hondo feeling like 104, Kerrville only 97, Uvalde 103. Well, the humidity's here to stay, but I will say this. The southeast wind direction is going to tell you, of course, that the humidity's coming in from the Gulf. But at least you can see those double-digit wind speeds in the evening. And it does give us a little break, right? Or at least it takes the edge off. But the dew points are going to stay high, tropical, all week long. Now, that could help touch off a shower, by the way. This southeast wind flow with a few sea breeze showers, going to put in a 10% chance in for tomorrow, because you see this right here. So the model says maybe a couple of isolated showers. Nothing that's going to last more than 10 or 15 minutes. So that's why it's only a 10% chance on Tuesday. 100% chance of a lot more heat, 104 to 105 and what it'll feel like. But it doesn't look like we'll get to the dangerous numbers and possibly heat advisories until Wednesday. That's why weather impact alerts will begin Wednesday and go all the way through Saturday. We're expecting it a little bit hotter every day this week. So please bring a brand new box fan to any San Antonio fire station and help keep San Antonio's own cool this summer. All right, 14-day forecast time from the beautiful river. We've got weather impact alert days beginning Wednesday, carrying through Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Remember that it's not just going to be the highs on these days. The heat indices 108 to 110 on most of these afternoons. 10% chance is the only chance of rain all week long. The high is going to be flexing a bit once we get into midweek and the weekend. Next week, the actual highs might get a little bit higher, 102 to 103. Why no weather impact alert? Well, we might not see the heat indices as high, okay? And plus, in the second 7, these days have a little bit more opportunity of seeing a change to the forecast than do the first 7.